We have another newer tier model of the 4045 and 6068 pistons. They do take the same cylinder kit and bearings, just the gasket sets. And again, it is a 2-valve with common rail, considered the PowerTech E engine. There's quite a few different models that are offered by Deere to go into different applications. The ones that we have now are for more popular in the machine type applications. There's a lot of different generator applications that some of the other ones go into. And then just to give you an idea, for the 4045 kit that we have, these are the applications, and all of these are construction machines. There's a pretty decent chunk of just power units that go into all kinds of applications, generators, just all kinds of stationary type applications that those power units are in. And then you will see there is a pretty good chunk of ag tractors. These would be your smaller ones. And then a couple of other ag applications. And then on the 6068, you'll see kind of the same thing. There's a pretty good chunk of construction type equipment. This one used in some of the forestry equipment. And then again, your power units, and then another good chunk of ag applications. This isn't just an ag type engine. It's used in a lot of different machines. And out of the range we have cataloged 1,147 different machine applications. So this is in a lot of equipment worldwide. Yeah, they get the horsepower range and the size of those engines, compact design, wide range of horsepower and torque that they adjust them to. So yeah, they're in thousands of machines.